Hello and welcome to Wednesday. And do you know what? I am ready today. I'm feeling it. I am actually feeling it. I'm ready to go. I'm just excited. I don't know why I'm excited. Do you know why I'm excited? I know why I'm excited. I'm excited because we've had a bag of stone delivered. And I'll tell you something, for as dug dry stone wall in stone, normally it comes 30% full of mud. And this time it has absolutely come beautiful. It is big, it is chunky, it has just got a lovely, it's just raring to go. I'll show you in a minute. And that is just, it's made me in a good mood. It's lovely. So hopefully now I've got a lovely mix of stone. We've got some lovely little crop bits. We've got some big old chunky meaty bits. And then we've got the old rugged stuff. So it's a perfect concoction and we're going to make a lovely wall out of it. I'm going to let Cam loose today because I'm going to concentrate on the end of the wall, the corner and the curve. And then Cam can crack on with the meaty middle. And we just want to dash a load up. The sun is shining. We've got 20 degrees, baby, which is pretty good for what we've had for June in England. It's been absolutely terrible. So we've got another week of this. So I think it's just all round good fun. The wall's starting to shape, the wall's starting to form, and we can just crack on. So I'm going to have a coffee quickly and then crack on with today. And yeah, let's just pump some stone in and see what happens. And like the video, and subscribe if you haven't, because it's really helpful. And you know, me and Cam just sit there and just right, let's go do some work. Question? Yeah.
What did you order for your Chinese last night?
Oh, I had chicken balls.
Yeah.
Chicken balls, chicken chow mein, curry sauce, spring rolls. It's quite solid, isn't it?
What did your missus have?
Yeah.
Your missus have what you just said?
Uh,
You don't really do that, do you?
Yeah, I think she just got like some vegetables and a beef chow mein. Tell me why. Everybody goes mental. dirty slivers. I bet you're looking at the stone wall. I bet you are.
Like I don't sort you out normally.
Here they are, Richard and Judy. Hello, beauties. Look at you. You are gorgeous. Look at ya. Hello. How you doing? How are you doing? Oh, you're enjoying that, aren't you? Oh. Look. Hey. How's your morning?
Can I take it?
I wouldn't. I'd be careful, I'd probably just put it on the floor. Go down there. Look, this one's loving it. Look, it's gone. Look, it's there. I don't know. He's
If they eat cucumber or not.
mate. Pigs eat anything, don't they? Oh, I think that's a bit. Man, that's a bit. It can't go any further. You can smell it. Hey. I think that is literally the cutest pig I've ever seen. You like, seriously, like these are so cute. Oh, stone of the day, baby. Stone of the day. Stone of the day, baby. Stone of the day. Just a bit wider than the right angle. That would have been a treat, wouldn't it? Spits on. 20 odd, 19, 20 now. If it Monday, Tuesday, 24, isn't it?
Yeah, there is a certain degree of heat to work in. Come up to Cardiff, yeah.
Do you know what I might do? I might just literally just film you all day.
You know what it's like? It's like a game of where's Wally? Or
Where?
where's Josh?
I like that. I was just having a look, mate, at this angle at that little bit I've built there. Because it's such new stone, well, the fresh stuff, should I say, it's sort of really catching my eye. It just looks a lot bigger because it's, you know, pretty much different colour. Like if that was older stuff, you wouldn't see it. Like this stuff here, you know, you don't notice it. But I don't know why. It's just, yeah, I'm gonna have to start breaking it up now, I think. Just use some older stuff, older chunky stuff. Well, anyway, Cam is cracking on with this straight. I'm gonna join that man and crack on. I've just bashed in a line here. It's not level, it's just nothing. But what I want to try and do is just build this little bit up and then get a little little triangular, what do we call that? I always call it a platoon. What would you call that?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Get a little pyramid up here just so we can then attach a line and then build through on this bit. The corner is coming up lovely. I've done absolutely nothing on the the curve. Cam's brick repair is settled in nicely. This corner's coming up absolutely beautiful. Sort of built from that point there today, so I'm going to leave that alone today and just carry on with that bit up there. And now we're starting to form now. We are starting to come up. That is probably around, ooh, just over halfway light. So yeah, we're doing good. So just going to carry on with down there today and just try and bash in as much as possible. Lovely jubbly.